At dawn, the heart of one of the world's largest instant noodle producers comes to life. Stainless steel hulls glint in the morning sun as a convoy of delivery.
High-capacity silos store premium wheat flour, and automated pneumatic lines draw it out with precision. The enclosed transfer system moves the flour directly to the mixing.
The system first doses the wheat flour, then the precise amount of salt. A measured stream of alkaline solution follows, and finally, water is added.
Fresh strands of noodle are drawn into the steaming tunnel, where controlled heat and humidity complete the cooking process. The perforated belt carries them steadily.
Inside the cooling tunnel, filtered air chilled to near freezing temperatures flows evenly across the surface of the freshly fried noodle cake.
Approved noodle cakes are conveyed toward the seasoning production department, ready for the next stage of flavoring.
Got it, thanks. Rescue 12's open. Copy. Lifting now.
Pallet 1 reads in, lines green.
Copy that. I'll confirm the quantity.
Ready for the next code?
Good to go.
Finish right next to the first passage. Lowering. Forks out. Looks good. You're clear.
With every truck that rolls out, thousands of meals head toward kitchens around the world. Inside, the line keeps moving, precise and steady,